Hi, welcome to the Business Financial Network. Welcome to all our new viewers and warm wishes to all of our audience that continue to learn and earn in our free private trading club. Be sure to email us for early access before we start our subscription plans. Today on our series, the Groundbreakers, we are reviewing a junior mining exploration company focused on exploring and advancing gold, silver, and copper assets with multiple projects, which gives investors increased exposure to their potential. Here, we stay committed to keeping our trading club members and viewers abreast on today's top undiscovered, underexposed, undervalued, brand new asset classes and emerging issuers in the world's markets. Please note, all the information being shared is for entertainment and educational purposes. We here at the BFN are not licensed financial advisors, and no past performance guarantees future gains or losses. To keep winning though, you gotta keep watching. We appreciate your time here at BFN and encourage you to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. And we'll see you on the other side.
Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon to all of our viewers across the world, as this is Roger Chowdhury, signing in for the BFN, the Business Financial Network. And on today's unique mining series, Groundbreakers, we are sharing a junior mining exploration company focused on exploring and advancing gold, silver, and copper assets. Goldplaymining.ca under the ticker AUC on the TSX Venture in Canada, under the ticker AUCCF on the OTCQX in the United States, and ticker 9FY on the Frankfurt in Germany. And as we stay committed to consistently sharing with our investment community companies that we believe are undervalued, underexposed, and undiscovered, this company here we want for all of you to take a closer look at. So let's just go right ahead and start doing that. This website is very well thought out, really nicely done, about Goldplay Mining. President and CEO, Director and Founder, Catalin Kilofliski. Exploration Manager, Jose Mario Castello Branco. Chair of the Board of Directors, Deepak Malhotra, PhD. CFA Director and Chair of the Audit Committee, Andy Marshall. Director, Lisa Stewart. Director, John Paul Dow. CFO and Corporate Secretary, Mahai Dragalicia. Walter Coles Jr., Advisory Board Chair. George Romero Monroe, Advisory Board. Adam Travis, Advisory Board. Ken Brook, Advisory Board. Daniel Bloor, Advisory Board. The one thing that I find very unique about Goldplay Mining, and we always talk about this here on BFN, yes, companies have intellectual properties that are assets and they have a roadmap. We truly believe that the people behind the project truly give investors and followers of the company a great fundamental foundation on where the company can go. So great job by highlighting all the people behind this company right off the bat. So let's get into the corporate presentation right now. Goldplay Mining, exploring 2 world-class districts, both in Canada and Portugal. Wow. Again, a breakdown of the human capital and the management team. Our projects. BC district scale projects. Scotty West Gold Project, Golden Triangle. 2 district scale projects, Big Frank, high grade gold, Newit Mountain, copper and gold. Portugal copper and gold projects, past producing high grade copper mine, highly prospective drill ready gold projects, 3 additional past producing copper gold mines under application with the Portugal government. Goldplaymining capital structure. Those are the 3 tickers on all 3 listing exchanges, which is we here at the BFN totally agree and believe are really important aspects when it comes to increasing shareholder count and value. Traded on TSX Venture started April 21st, 2021. So this is a 2021 new IPO. Total shares traded since listing, 11.3 million at an average price of 17 cents, representing approximately 24% of the total issued and outstanding shares. Wow, what a tight share structure. 45, almost 46 million shares, 7.1 million warrants, and 3.3 total stock options. 38% retail, 12% insiders, 30% brokers, and 20% high net worth individuals. Total available cash, 2.3 million. Now they're getting more into their projects. Scotty West Gold Project location. Scotty West property is located approximately 30 kilometers northwest of Stewart, BC, and immediately west of Scotty Gold Mine property, and in the proximity of Premier and Red Mine. So this is the Golden Triangle that they're definitely have some potential here. The property covers a total of 6,358.8 hectares. These claims cover favorable geology as mapped by BC Geological Survey, including Jurassic Hazelton volcanic rocks, Jurassic Texas Creek intrusions, and Eocene aged intrusions that are also host to numerous mineral occurrences and past producing mines throughout the Stewart camp, including Ascot Resources, Premier Mine, and Scotty Resources, Scotty Gold Mine. The Scotty West claims are bordering the claims held by Scotty Resources, Teuton Resources, and Castle Resources, and they are also in close proximity to Pretium Resources. Scotty West close to infrastructure. Road access and power is approximately 7 kilometers away from Scotty West. Premier Mill is located approximately 40 kilometers from Scotty West. Deep water port of Stewart is located approximately 40 kilometers from Scotty West. They go down into the potential of the exploration. Now this is, again, we here at the BFN strongly encourage all of our investment community and audience to do their own research. Do your own research. This is not financial advice. We want you to understand what asset classes suit your investment goals. And you could find this information yourself on Goldplay Mining right at the bottom of their homepage for your own perusal. So let's continue. So as you can see here, they continue breaking down the surveys that they've completed in 2020. Big Frank and Newit Mountain projects overview. Big Frank property is 9,470.8 hectares, covers a 20-kilometer long favorable geological trend, is located approximately 285 kilometers northwest of Vancouver, or alternatively about 30 kilometers north of Knight Inlet, with logging roads occurring in the western portions of the property. The Newit Mountain property, 2,448.8 hectares, covers an 8-kilometer long favorable geological trend, is located 170 kilometers southwest of Williams Lake, or alternatively 75 kilometers southeast of the Big Frank property, and has road access to within 4 kilometers of the property. Big Frank high-grade gold project. The A Select grab sample assayed 126 grams per ton of gold and over 1% copper. Wow. A channel sample averaged 85 grams per ton of gold, 51 grams per ton of silver, and over 1% of copper over 2 meters. Wow. Drilling in 1998, 9 drill holes totaling 984 meters returned sporadic results of up to 0.53 ounce per ton gold and 4.3% copper over narrow intervals. And they sourced that information. And then again, they're breaking down the map and its proximity to other mining projects to give investors and everyone else an idea of what they have going on. Extremely well thought out. Portugal copper gold assets. 2 drill-ready copper and gold projects. Bar and Coast projects. High-grade historic copper mine with mineralization averaging 2 to 3% copper. Highly prospective gold project that intersected 7.1 grams per ton gold and 0.63% copper over 5.52 meters. Includes 2 additional pending exploration license applications for gold and copper projects with the Portuguese government. 4 copper gold projects under application and exploration licenses pending. So it looks like this company has spent its time and done its homework to find assets not only here in Canada, but also abroad in Portugal. Why Portugal? Portugal is a modern European country with first-class infrastructure, judicial security, transparent mining laws, and clear rules and regulations, good geological databases, and significant mineral potential. It is one of the oldest mining traditions in the world, where mining started before Roman times and continues today. Wow. And they break down the investment attractiveness index worldwide. And it looks like Portugal is right there at number 5. Wow, interesting. And then again, they're breaking down the mapping and the overall breakdown and detail with the Portugal project. This is another project that they have in Portugal that they're breaking down the basics for. Wow, look at this. Wow. Tremendous amount of information to go through here. And as you can see, this company has done its homework. Our commitment to sustainability. We are committed to sustainable development, and we recognize that the long-term sustainability of our business is dependent upon good stewardship in both the protection of the environment and the efficient management of the exploration and the extraction of mineral resources. We will comply with all applicable environmental laws, regulations, and requirements. We are committed to transparent communication and consulting with interested and affected parties on environmental aspects of our activities. We strive to respect the rights, interests, and traditions of Indigenous and local peoples where we operate. We encourage local hire and procurement and work with our stakeholders to advance socioeconomic development in the regions where we operate. And you got their information right there at the bottom. Well done. Well thought out, extremely detailed when it comes to the projects and the management structure and capital structure. Now, let's take some time to go over what we believe is a good play here and why we think gold is a great investment. Part of the reason we're bringing up this gold play is in August, a data company by the name of Palantir bought $50 million in gold bars. And we're going to be leaving this link in the description for our investment audience to check out for themselves. Okay? Now moving right along, let's get into the chart analysis. As we look at this chart, you can see that this company hasn't been around for a very long time. It's been around only since May of 2021. So you're really early in on this opportunity. Let's do a little bit more research here. Wow. The market cap is less than 6 million. And we've already told you a little bit about its share structure. So as you can see, with the highs of being at 20 cents and the low of 13.5, everybody that's a part of our private trading club and our viewers in general, you're early in on this asset as it just IPO'd this year, and there hasn't been a tremendous amount of price action that you could take advantage of. However, we are looking at the current price that it's at right now, and we believe that this could possibly be, again, this is not financial advice. We want you to do your own research. We here at BFN believe that this could possibly be a good entry point for people to see some price action from here, as gold last week experienced some price action, and we obviously believe with Palantir and other entities out there looking at gold as stored value, that this is an asset class that you should keep on your radar. And please note that all the information being shared here is for entertainment and educational purposes. We here at the BFN are not licensed financial advisors, and no past performance guarantees future gains or losses. To keep on winning though, you got to keep on watching, and we appreciate your time here at the BFN, and we encourage you all to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, as this is Roger Chowdhury, signing off for the BFN, the Business Financial Network. Stay blessed.